Hi, I'm Benedetta from local Aromas in Italy, and I'm here today with my sister Valeria, and we're going to show you how to make the only Roman pasta that has the egg. Carbonara.
Carbonara uses the typical Roman ingredients, guanciale and pecorino cheese, so pork jowl and sheep cheese.
They are very simple because they have very few ingredients, but the trick is to make them properly, because if not you can have very unpleasant surprises. So we start off with the guanciale. We cut it in slices because we want the fat, the meat, and the fat. And we put it without any kind of oil in a hot pan. The pan has to be hot because the guanciale, the fat, is going to melt. And this is just like magic. It's a magic moment. You have to see it. It goes translucent and then it turns crunchy. And after that happens,
second, you set it aside.
Forget it.
And part two of the recipe is, in a serving bowl, you get the grated pecorino cheese. You crack the eggs, egg yolks. Some recipe only uses egg yolks, some mixes entire eggs with egg yolks.
Just follow our recipe.
And you first thing in a bowl, you put the egg yolks and you beat and you start incorporating and you start adding pecorino cheese. And you mix and you mix and you mix, and then it's just gonna turn into this smooth cream, and that's what you want.
Add a little bit of pepper here already because so it gives it that little touch of flavor. In the meantime, you have your pot of pasta, you have your pot of cold water on the fire. When it boils, add a little bit of salt. Remember, do not exaggerate because however, you have pecorino cheese. Once the water boils, you toss in the pasta and then you drain it al dente.
Al dente. And al dente means, look at the time it says on the package, say 10 minutes, you're gonna take it out 2 minutes before.
This is super, super important.
And you saute it.
You take the pasta and you drain it and you put it in the pan with the guanciale, and then you saute it, because what you want here is all the fat of the guanciale to grab a hold of to the pasta and just really embrace it all and coat it with flavor.
Now here comes the tricky final step.
Super important.
You're doing the rest, final touches away from the fire because we're using egg and you do not want scrambled egg. So once you have sauteed the pasta, you put it inside the bowl and you just quickly mix it with the egg so that it just coats and it incorporates everything. You're going to be eating safe eggs because the temperature of the pasta is going to sterilize the eggs. So you just serve it and you mix it, you add some more pecorino cheese, you crack some more pepper,
and you're ready to go.
And just enjoy your pasta alla carbonara.